Module 7. Now and Then. Unit 7A. In the Past.
Polluted. Clean. Deserted. Crowded. Busy. Quiet. Ugly. Beautiful. Clean. Busy. Beautiful. Crowded. Ugly. Polluted. Deserted. Quiet.
Ask and answer questions about the picture.
Was Mineral Park quiet in 1871?
No, it wasn't. There were many people.
Was Mineral Park crowded in 1871?
No, it wasn't. There weren't very many people. There were no cars or buses.
Was Mineral Park busy in 1871?
Yes, it was. We can see a railway station, a hotel and a saloon.
Was Mineral Park beautiful in 1871?
Yes, it was. It was a nice, fantastic town.
Was Mineral Park polluted in 1871?
No, it wasn't. It was very clean.
Were the streets quiet?
Yes, they were.
Was Mineral Park a deserted town in 1871?
No, it wasn't.
Describe the town to your partner.
There was a
Hotel.
newspaper,
School.
post office, saloon, doctors, restaurant, railway station.
What is a ghost town? 1. A town ghosts live in. 2. A town which does not exist anymore. 3. A town in which people lived but now there aren't any.
Exercise 3A. Page 66.
Read and give each paragraph a title.
Mineral Park, the ghost town. Mineral Park is a town in the United States. It is called a ghost town because no one lives there anymore. It was a different town in the past, though. In 1871, 700 people lived in Mineral Park. There was a school, lots of shops, a post office, saloons, a doctor's, a hotel, a restaurant, and even a weekly newspaper. It was a very busy town with lots of people but no cars. People traveled by train and on horses. Lots of the people from Mineral Park worked in the mines. After work, they liked to spend their free time in the saloons and restaurants. Everyone was happy and wealthy, but all that stopped. After 1887, Mineral Park started to change into a quiet town. Many families moved to other towns, and the shops closed down. Some people tried to stay, but there was nothing for them to do. By 1912, the town was nearly empty. Today, there are only a few ruined buildings left. People still visit Mineral Park, though, to get an idea of what life was like in the past.
Ghost town. Mineral Park in the past. Life in Mineral Park. The end of Mineral Park. Explain the words in bold.
Weekly newspaper. Mines. Wealthy. Ruined. Get an idea.
Columbus discovered America in 1492. Is this sentence about now or the past?
About the past.
Did the action finish in the past?
Yes.
When did event happen?
In 1492. List the verbs which express an action in the past in the text.
Past simple.
Verbs. Regular. Irregular.
Live, lived.
Work, worked, start, started. Go, went. Build, built. Come, came. People lived. People didn't live. Did people live? Key words. Yesterday. Last night, week, year. 3 days ago. Spelling rules for adding ed. To be. Was. Were. He was happy. He wasn't happy. Was he happy? We were happy. We weren't happy. Were we happy?
Exercise 6A, page 67.
Write the past simple of the verbs in the correct box. Listen and check.
Wanted, visited, washed, worked, cooked, watched, opened, carried, cleaned, played, traveled, listened.
Более подробно об этом времени смотрите в видео по подсказке.
Rewrite the sentences using the words in brackets.
Sharon moves to San Francisco.
Sharon moved to San Francisco last month.
The town is busy.
The town was busy 50 years ago.
His father works in a mine.
His father worked in a mine in 1995.
She often visits her grandma.
She visited her grandma yesterday.